Welcome back. It's time to get our vroom vroom on with our ohana at Aloha Kia.
Hold on, brother. Don't get all excited. Before we go vroom vroom, we gotta make sure the car is properly maintained. We're going to get stuck on the road, right?
That's true.
So let's check in with Joey at Aloha Kia Kona, because I heard that he and his service team are the best in town in getting your vroom vroom going.
Vroom vroom.
Watch this. Aloha Kia Kona. That's where Island Life Live is, right here in the midst of our summer drives, right here with Auto Weekly. And this is our good friend, Joey Ferguson. He is our service manager at Aloha Kia Kona. Brother, thank you so much for hanging out with us.
No worries. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, and we know that this service center is tops when it comes to servicing all the community of Kona, actually all of Big Island.
Yeah, I would say at least half the island, we take care of on this side.
I love it. And you folks do Kia as well as other makes and models.
Most makes and models. Yep, absolutely.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, this week we wanted to talk about the importance of maintaining our tires.
Yeah.
Can we talk about that first? Let's talk about proper inflation. I know a lot of people, we've been talking about inflation, but this is different.
Yeah. Inflation is huge. Not only for the drive to be nice and comfortable and smooth. If you're overinflated, it can be a lot more stiff. If you're underinflated, it can be an issue as well too. Rotating the tires is going to be huge. Tires are not cheap. Making them last as long as possible by rotating properly in tandem with an oil change as well too, keeps them alive for longer. Alignments also as well too,
So if I'm not mistaken, when your tires are properly inflated, that's like the best use of your gas.
Correct, yeah. Fuel economy will go in tandem with that as well too. If your car is working harder, whether that's being deflated or overinflated, you will waste more fuel as well.
Got it. Now I want to ask you, why is it important to rotate the tires?
So your tires over time will get wear on them, wear and tear on the road. Now mitigating the abnormal wear is going to be huge, and doing that would be rotating the tires properly, allowing them to, wear on the proper side accordingly, not just in one spot, expediting the process of needing replacements.
Wow, mitigating abnormal wear. We learned some new words today.
Yeah, I brought my dictionary.
I love it. But at the same time, is it safe for me to check my own tires? Is that something that we should do?
It is something that you could buy a very cost-effective tool to gauge them, or you're more than welcome to roll on by here at Aloha Kia Kona as well too. We inflate, we will check tire pressure and also, check the tread depth as well too.
And I think in the midst of that checking, you guys can check to see if there's like a crack in the tire or there might be a nail in the tire that I might not see, right?
Yeah. So when it comes down to whether your tire pressure light is on, not only do we make sure that you're at the correct PSI, but soaping down the tires, making sure we have no pukas, things like that as well.
Hey, Joey, I gotta ask you, because your general manager, Bill, was bragging about some alignment system that you have or some kind of device. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we do have a beautiful alignment rack up top at our service shop. We do alignments through and through on all cars as well too, not only just Kias. So when in time, we can check the alignment. If it needs adjustments, we can do adjustments as well.
Very cool. Well, I'm glad you asked all those questions. Lena girl learned a lot today. Of course, Joy and I, we come from the same school. We both know a lot about cars.
Brother, you know where the ignition is. Come on.
That's true.
That's it.
Gas and go.
And how
Gas
to
and
turn
go.
on the AC. Joey, thanks so much, bro. We appreciate it.
No worries.
Aloha
We appreciate
Kia,
you guys.
Kailua Kona. Come visit our friend Joey for the best service and maintenance in town.